The HiCAD solution for special machine construction, interface to a full-featured PDM system. With HiCAD, in conjunction with the PDM system HELiOS, you have all processes under control. The article-oriented working method with HELiOS makes it possible to link design documents and associated documents, such as PDF or Word files, to an article master. Thanks to release workflows, model drawings or individual parts are protected against accidental changes. Where used lists allow you to see all assemblies in which the active article occurs. A traceable history is available via version management. All version statuses can be compared with each other at any time. Quickly derive a complete assembly. The derivation via the model structure even offers the possibility of selective derivation. All CAD documents, such as geometries and drawings, are also derived and can be modified for the new model drawing. The product structure in HELiOS offers the possibility to add non-CAD relevant items to the bill of materials from CAD. A unique feature of HiCAD in conjunction with HELiOS is that it offers the option of a semi-finished product-related approach. It is not necessary to create a new article number for each processed profile. You can also benefit from many standardized ERP interfaces to systems from our partners.